Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a November 2002 Toyota Corolla sedan. This shape runs from 12th month 01 to 6th month 07. Stock number on this is 4532. This vehicle has a 1.8 1ZZ FE engine powered by an automatic front wheel drive 1.8 transmission. Here we have the 1.8 1ZZ FE engine. This vehicle has sustained accident damage in the front and also on the right hand side. Front bumper, bonnet and grille have been damaged in the accident. So has the left hand headlight. Left hand guard also damaged in the accident. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Here's the left hand front with a good tyre. Left hand electric non-indicator type mirror, slightly faded. Left hand front door, good private. Left hand rear door, also a good private. Here we have the left hand rear 15-inch steel rim with good tyre. Left hand taillight in the body. Here we have the boot lid. It's a spoiler type in good insurance quality. The paint is starting to peel on the top of the spoiler. The rear bar is damaged as well. Right hand tail light damaged as also. Right hand rear steel rim with good tyre. As we said in the start of the video, the right hand side was damaged in the accident, so both doors are no good. Door mirror also no good. Right hand front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory grey cloth interior, driver's side seat, grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic console, passenger side grey cloth seat, passenger sun visor, interior light, interior mirror. Factory vehicle comes with a factory single stack CD player, AC controls, a black vinyl factory steering wheel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.